keep your paws closed or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Should I get a dog?
You're adopted.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
Can you hold on?
Do you want to eat? Okay.
I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way you make.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
Can I just get my key?
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Don't do it.
You scratch mine.
Do you think I have bad taste in men?